If you're looking for the best email autoresponder for affiliate marketing, then chances are you probably heard a million and one opinions by now. Now, the problem with looking for the right autoresponder for your affiliate marketing business is that affiliate marketers tend to sell to other affiliate marketers. So what you end up finding is that a lot of times affiliate marketers get approved for affiliate programs through these email autoresponder companies because they're very lucrative, and they'll try to sell it to you. They'll tell you that it's the best email autoresponder out there. Now, a few months ago, I made a video about the best autoresponder out there that was, in my opinion, at that time. But now it's months later and I'm making 5 figures a month, and I've learned quite a few things about the affiliate marketing game, and I've learned quite a few things about email autoresponders, all right? So I wanted to make this updated version of the video. And I wanted to also tell you that I've changed my mind. That autoresponder that I recommended in that video, I no longer use it. I think that it's okay at best. I found something that I feel is a lot better. And also it's a lot cheaper, so you know that I'm not recommending it to you just because I'll make more commission. I'm recommending it to you because I honestly believe it's the better software. So if you stick to the end of this video, you're going to find out what autoresponder I'm talking about, and trust me, it's the one that's going to set your affiliate business on fire. Now first I'm going to start off by showing you the autoresponder that I recommended to you a few months ago. This is called GetResponse. This is the one that I was using for a while. Now, if you notice here, the last newsletter that I sent out got a 17% open rate. When I first started with GetResponse, I was getting numbers in like the 50-55% open rate. So as the numbers started dropping, I started thinking, what's wrong here? But I didn't think much of it at first. I started thinking, well, I have a bigger list now, so it stands to reason that maybe more people are just not opening my emails. But I looked deeper into it. I started sending emails to even people that I spoke to on a daily basis. And I found that a lot of my emails were either showing up in the promotions folder or in the spam folder. So I talked to 24/7 chat on GetResponse. And they gave me a ton of different advice, but none of it ever seemed to work. And as you can see here, you see the numbers, I'm averaging anywhere from 25 to 35% on my open rate. So I asked them, why then are my emails showing up in people's spam folders, even the people that want to open my emails? And I'll give them credit. They tried giving me a ton of different advice and tips, and none of it ever seemed to work. I don't think it was their fault. What I started learning about was that these email autoresponder companies have these things called SMTPs. And trust me, I know nothing about technical stuff, so all I know is that there's some kind of servers that basically everyone on that server gets treated exactly the same. So it's not my fault technically that my emails are showing up in the spam box. It's someone else's fault who's sending out a bunch of spammy emails, and because I'm associated in the same group with him, my emails are getting flagged. Now to me, I thought that was ridiculous and really, really unfair, but apparently that's how a lot of these autoresponders work. So I started doing some research and I started looking to see if I could find something better. And hell, if I could find something cheaper, that's even more of a plus, right? Because honestly, I found like GetResponse was a little bit expensive for my taste. So what I ended up landing on was a free service called MailChimp. Now let me be clear, it's free to a point. So once your list builds up to a certain number, they start charging you. But let me just skip this part of the video because I'm going to tell you like this. Doing affiliate marketing on MailChimp is a total and complete nightmare. Do not try to do it. First of all, it's totally and completely against their terms of service and they'll shut you down. But I was getting my emails landed in the spam folder even when I was sending them to myself. So this service is horrible. But let's be honest, you don't care about any of that, do you? You want to know what email autoresponder I recommend now, what's the best one for affiliate marketers, and what I found to be not only the most cost effective, but this one, most of your emails, most of the time will end up in the inbox. In fact, I found that pretty much every time they land in the inbox because I don't send out spam. I don't send out spammy, squirmy, scammy stuff, okay? So I've been using this autoresponder for a few weeks now and I totally and completely love it, and I felt obliged to go on here and recommend it to you. And here it is. That's right, the one I'm talking about is called ActiveCampaign. As you can see here, I mean, just look at the pricing alone. Even when I turn this into the monthly plan instead of the yearly plan, you're still only paying $15 a month for essentially the same service that you would get on GetResponse for $50 a month, and your emails end up in the inbox a lot more often. At least that's been my experience. So unequivocally, hands down, I recommend ActiveCampaign if you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking for an autoresponder. Plus ActiveCampaign, even on this $15 a month plan, they offer you all the automation tools. They offer you ways to tag and track your customers, all this deep level reporting stuff and analytics. It's genius. It's like the craziest thing I've ever seen. I'm like, this is $15. This is what you're going to pay like $99 for most services. It's $15 a month. It's unbelievable, okay? So I feel very, very comfortable recommending it to people, recommending it to my audience. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, this is the autoresponder you need, all right? Don't pick anything else. Now, most of these things have free trials, and that's no different with ActiveCampaign. They have a 14-day free trial. You can give it a try. I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed. Now, once you have your autoresponder, you're ready for some affiliate marketing training. And I happen to have the best free affiliate marketing training down in the description below, so make sure you click that. And until next time, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.